Hi guys, these are the two border designs that we're going to work on today, and I used Papermate fine liner markers instead of the regular Bic markers to draw the border designs, and I have a link to these markers in my Amazon store in the description box below if you want to check these out. They're nice markers for these type of designs. So I had to like retape this like twice or 3 times yesterday. It was just I just kept messing up, and it was making me crazy. So I'm doing the voiceover today while it's a little quieter in my house. My son had a friend over, and I've known him since he's been pretty little. They're 12 years old now, and he's telling me that he doesn't believe in God. And I'm like, and the question he said was, I just don't understand who made God then. Who made God? You know, someone had to have made him. And I'm like, that's a tough question to try to answer to a 12-year-old. So I've been researching it and trying to figure out how to explain that to him. And so if you could pray for him, I don't want, him not to believe in God. And it's just made me sad to think, because I've taught him in the past, but oh boy. So I hope he doesn't influence my son in any way either, which I don't think so, but anyways, that topic was on my mind today. I thought I would just talk about it with you guys as you're watching me draw this. So I hope you like this one. I think the second one is my favorite. Yeah, because I don't know the way it turned out. I like the second border design better. Another thing, if you are new here and you have not subscribed yet, I would love it if you'd hit that subscription button and hit the bell icon right next to it, and you will get a notification whenever I upload. So now we're moving on to the second design, and I only use one marker for this whole thing, so pretty easy. And this one's very self-explanatory too, so if you have any questions, you can leave me a comment in the description, not the description box, in the comment box, below. Leave me a comment, or if you just want to, say hello, or it helps to promote my channel too. Any comment you leave helps the algorithm to boost up my videos, so I really appreciate it if, any comments I get, and I like hearing from you guys, seeing what you say, and getting to know my community is cool too. We're all like-minded artists, so whew, I'm talking a lot today, and this video is almost over, I think. So like I said, tell me which one's your favorite if you'd like, and if you've made it this far, thank you for watching the entire video. And I should be posting another video probably in about a day or so. I'm going to try to keep up with making videos more often. It's just depending on my health, and I have, kids and stuff, so I can't, like some YouTubers can guarantee I can do a video every Monday and Tuesday or something like that. Sorry, it's just not me. I don't want to make guarantees and not fulfill my promises, so. But I do try to be consistent as much as I can. Sometimes my health permits that, though. And life, like all of us. So, yeah, that's about it, guys. And thank you so much for watching. And I guess I will see you all in the next video. Talk to you, well, not tomorrow. Talk to you later. Bye.